Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change shirt color in Photoshop. I'm making duplicate this layer. Click here, hue saturation. Click this hand tool and click above the color you want to change. Using hue skill, give a new color. Using saturation, make the color lighter or darker. As we can see, the color is also on the face and background, so we need to remove this unwanted color from face and background. So for that, use this skill to remove unwanted color and make sure the shirt color is perfect. When it's done, now change the shirt color using hue skill. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.